So in my first month of using this method I'm about to share with you, I was able to make $41 in the first month, and the next month I was able to make $89, and the next one I was able to make $318, and the next one I was able to make $517, the next one I was able to make $757, and the next one $757, the next one I was making $800, $700, and over $1,000 is now consistent with this unique method I'm about to share with you. All right, so don't go anywhere. Let me show you exactly how you can do this. So my name is Olushola David, and in this video I'm going to show you a unique method that you can use for affiliate marketing and generate passive income from the comfort of your home. All right, so if you'd like to know how to do this, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end, and if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question about the video, drop them in the comment section. Then most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. So like I said, I'm going to be sharing with you a unique method that is going to be making you consistent and passive income with affiliate marketing. Now the good part is you can use this for any affiliate program or any affiliate product. It works on any offer and can be used across any niche. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be walking you through the entire steps step by step. But before we'll be able to achieve this, there are a couple of things we're going to need to put in place, and this is what I'm going to be sharing with you. So the first thing we're going to need to have, like I said earlier, is an affiliate product. So the good thing is we can use any affiliate product with this method I'm about to share with you. You can use it for any affiliate program or any affiliate niche. So the next thing we need is a Canva Pro account. So Canva comes with a 30 days free trial that you can use to test out the platform. It also comes with a free forever plan, but the free plan is actually limited. So we're going to be needing our Canva Pro account for the next item, which is Pinterest business account. So I did a video earlier on how to create a Pinterest account. So I'm going to add a link to the video somewhere around there, so you can just watch the video, then set up your Pinterest business account. So after you have your Pinterest account, the next thing we need is a landing page. So for you to create your landing page, you can easily use Elementor. So I use Elementor on my own pages too. So I recommend you go with Elementor, or if you have any other sales page or landing page software that you can use to create your landing page. So finally, the last thing we need is email autoresponder, and I also use GetResponse. So if you have anyone you are using already, fine, and if you don't have, you can also use GetResponse. So I'm going to add a link at the description of the video to all of the items we're going to be needing. Now the best part about this unique method is that you only have to work on it for a few hours, and once everything is done completely, once everything is done perfectly, you can keep generating passive income from this unique method without having to touch it again. So you only need to work on it for a few hours, and once the funnel is up to date, you can keep generating money month after month without having to do any extra thing. So with this, you'll be able to have an additional source of income. So this is what's doing. Now to make things even easier, everything you're going to be doing is completely copy and paste, because everything is done for you. All you have to do is just copy and paste, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. All right, so back to the first thing we need, so which is affiliate product. So for the sake of this video, we're going to be working with Digistore. So I'm going to head over to Digistore, then pick a product, then show you how everything is completely done. So let's head over to Digistore24, then check out the product we're going to be promoting. So I have a product in mind already, so I'm just going to go to family and kids here. All right, so if you want to check for products, you can just go through these categories here to search for any product you want to promote. So in your own case, whenever you are searching for a product, always go for a product that has a sales page and affiliate support page. Now, when I talked about copy and paste, everything you're going to be needing to promote this product is going to be made available in the affiliate support page. So it is very important that you pick a product that have the affiliate support page here. All right, so the name of the product is Baby Sleep Miracle. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on this product, and what I want to open is this affiliate support page, because everything I'm going to be needing to promote this product is actually on the affiliate support page. So I'm going to open it on another tab, then see how we can go about it. So as you can see, we have several items here that we can use to promote the product. So we have demographics, we have infographics, we have article, we have banner, we have email marketing, Facebook tools, landing page, we have PPC materials, we have product image, and several others that we can use to promote the product. So in our own case, what I said we need is an affiliate product, a Canva Pro account, a Pinterest business account, landing page, and email autoresponder. So what we're going to be needing from this affiliate page here is this email marketing tool here. All right, so what we want to do is we want to open this email marketing tool. But before we do that, the next thing we need, like I said, is the Canva Pro account. So what you want to do is you want to go over to canva.com, then create an account for yourself, because what we're going to be doing on Canva is we're going to be creating pins that we're going to be publishing on our Pinterest account. So once you have your Canva account, the next thing you want to do is you want to set up your Pinterest account. So once you set up your Pinterest account, you'll be able to publish pins on your Pinterest account. But before that, before you start publishing pins, you have to create a landing page. Now, the reason we are creating a landing page is that you can just copy your affiliate link from Digistore24, then paste it directly on Pinterest. If you do this, they are going to block your Pinterest account. So you need a bridge that is going to connect your audience to the affiliate product, and this bridge is your landing page. So to create the landing page, like I said earlier, what I'm using is Elementor. So I did a simple page here that I'm using to collect the email of people that are interested in the product. So what I do is that I added a form to collect their email, and when they click on this form, I'm going to collect their email, and this page is going to automatically redirect them to the affiliate page. So this is how we generate additional commission from this unique method. All right, so let's get back to the affiliate area. So what we need here is the email tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this on another tab. All right, so this is open on another tab, and what we want to do now is we want to create a pin for this product. Okay, so we want to create a pin for this product. So what you want to do is you want to go back to your Canva account, and what you want to do is you want to search for Pinterest. So I'm going to enter Pinterest here. So once you search for Pinterest, it's going to bring out the Pinterest template they have available on Canva. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be editing this to create your own, so you don't have to start from scratch. All right, so as you can see, looking at the categories here, so you can see that we have Pinterest pin and we have 9.1k. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down, then look for something that is in your niche. So I'm going to come to theme here, then I'm going to click on view more. So when you click on view more, then scroll down, you should be able to see the actual niche or the theme of what you want to create. So I'm looking for baby. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here. So this is family. Let me go a little bit down. Probably we're going to see. So as you can see, so this is baby, and what we want to promote is about baby. So I'm going to click on baby here. So it's going to bring out pins about baby. All right, so as you can see, so what you want to do now is just click on any of this, then use this to edit the pin and create something that is eye-catchy that we can use to lure our audience in. So the goal is to collect their email and let them click on our affiliate link. So just click on this. So once you click on this, it's going to bring out a page that you can use to edit the theme, to edit the pins. So as you can see, so just click on baby here, then enter your own text, or click on the image. If you want to replace the image, click on this, then come over here, then click on upload, add your own image, then do all sorts of things. So I did one already. So okay, I think I did two actually. So this is a pin I designed earlier that we're going to be using. So it says solve baby sleep problems, 3 ways to help your baby sleep. Watch this free video now. So as you can see, tricks to get your baby to sleep. So this is the pin I designed earlier, and this is what we're going to be using. So the next thing you want to do is you want to click on share here, that is to download it. So once you click on download here, you can actually download the 2 pages together or choose the page you want to download. So I'm going to choose the second one first, then I'm going to click on download here. So I have downloaded it. So the next thing we want to do now is to create our landing page. So I'm going to go back to my website here, then go to your pages, then create a simple landing page like this. Now, for the sake of people that don't have landing page already, so I'm going to download this template, this simple template I did. I'm going to download it, then add it at the description of the video. So if you are using Elementor, you can just upload this exactly like this to your Elementor page and edit it to suit your own taste. So all you simply need to do, just click on it. Just click on this icon here, then change the text to what you want. So click on this. If you want to change the image, all you simply need to do, just come to content here, then click on choose image. You'll be able to change this image. And for the form here, you have to link this directly to your email marketing tool. So which is the last one, which is our autoresponder, and the one I'm actually using is GetResponse. And like I said earlier, all the links to this tool we need is going to be added at the description of the video. So let's assume we have our landing page ready. So the landing page is ready. So what we want to do is you want to copy this landing page, then go to Pinterest. All right. So what you want to do is you want to publish a pin and add your landing page link to the pin. So whenever they see this pin, when they click on it, it's going to redirect them to our landing page. We collect their email, then it's going to redirect them to the affiliate sales page. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on create. So once you click on create, it's going to bring out create pins and create ads. So if you watch the video I did on how to create a Pinterest account, you know how you'll be able to set up this easily. So click on create pin. So once you click on create pin, it's going to bring out something like this. So what you want to do is you want to add the pin we designed on our Canva account earlier. So I'm just going to drag the pin here, then add it here. So what you want to do is you want to enter your title. So let's assume the title is tricks to get your baby to sleep. So after that, I'm going to add a short description about the image here. So I'm just going to, I can add something like, discover the new method you can use to get your baby to sleep. So I'm just going to add that here. So all you want to do is just add that here. All right. So after that, the next thing we want to do is you want to add a destination link, and the destination link we're going to be adding is our landing page link. So what you want to do now is you want to go back, then copy your landing page link here. So I just copied the link. So I'm going to go back to Pinterest, then I'm going to add the link here. All right, so I just added the link here. So the next thing I want to do now is to hit publish. So once your pin is published, for everyone that sees the pin and click on the pin, it's going to redirect them to our landing page, which is where we're going to be collecting their email, then redirect them to the sales page. So for you to redirect them to the sales page, just click on this form here. So once you click on form here, you can just come to this lower section here, then click on redirect. So this redirect is where you're going to be placing your affiliate link. So when they click on your affiliate links, it's going to, or when they enter their email, it's going to automatically redirect them to the sales page, so they can buy immediately. And for those that don't buy immediately, we're going to follow up them with the email. So what you want to do now is you want to head over to GetResponse. Like I said earlier, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video for those that don't have the autoresponder already. So create an account with GetResponse. It's actually free to create an account with them. Okay, so once you created your account, the next thing we want to do now is you want to set up a list for the product you are promoting. So after that, what you want to do is you want to create an autoresponder. So come here, then click on autoresponder. So once you click on autoresponder, you're able to set up the autoresponder for as many days as possible. So what you want to do now is you want to go back to the affiliate resource center. So what you want to do is you want to copy the email. So the email here is so we have one, and we have another one, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I think we have up to 9 days email here. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, then copy this subject line here. So copy the subject line, then go back to your email autoresponder. So the title could be day 1, so you can make this day 1. So this is not going to be visible to your subscriber, it's only you that is going to see this. So then scroll down here, then come to the subject line here. So enter your topic here. So this is going to be the subject line of the email. So after that, the next thing you want to copy is you want to copy the body of the email. So come here, then click on hub, then copy this, then go back to your email, then click on design message here. So once you click on design message here, you can actually come to blank template here, then click on blank template, use blank template. So once you send this, so what you want to do is you want to edit this. So click on this, then bring the text icon here. Okay, so after that, so all you simply want to do is you want to paste the email here. So what you want to do is you want to add your affiliate link. So what you want to do is you want to add your affiliate link inside the email you are sending to them. So what you want to do now is go back to your Digistore account so you can copy your affiliate link. So I'm going to come here, then click on this then copy my affiliate link. All right, so I'm going to copy my affiliate link, then go back to the email. So you're going to put it here. So the last one here, it says discover how to do it right here in this video. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to highlight it and make it bold. So after that, I'm going to click on this link here, then add my affiliate link here. So after that, I'm going to insert. Okay, so I just added my affiliate link. So the next thing I want to do is I want to click on next, then I'm going to publish this. So after that, what you want to do is you want to click on save and publish. So once you click on save and publish, so this is going to be the first email they're going to receive when they sign up on our landing page. So the next thing you want to do is to create autoresponder for as many days as possible for the sales page. So for everyone that lands on the landing page and didn't buy the product but drops their email, will be able to follow up with this email autoresponder by adding our affiliate links in the email. So once they start receiving the email, they may eventually buy the product from the email. So this is basically how you can use Pinterest plus email marketing to promote affiliate product on Digistore24. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.